What's up, everybody? I am the Wizard of Wall Street, and today we're going to be going over the watch list for the dates of January 11th through January 15th, 2021. The first stock on our watch list is going to be ticker ARGX. As you can see, it's indicating that it's going to be a strong buy here. We have a nice pullback here where it drops down. Got this nice little channel and a reversal up here coming up. We got this buy indicator down here that popped green. So next thing we're pretty much waiting for is a long call here, just like this one is here. If we don't get a long call, I'll probably wait for a bit. But more than likely we can do a long call on this one, and I could probably get 10%. Or if we do a maybe like a maybe a swing trade. Probably a swing trade, and hopefully it'll push us back over here and probably get 9% on this. But that's kind of my game plan here. I could probably do a long call, probably get more money from it in the short term. Do it with a short contract date. But yeah, this was looking like a strong buy for this one. Our next one we're going to go over is going to be MITK is our next one. MITK, guys. Alright, as you can see, this one had a huge run up here. Huge run up. Then it had a pullback. And then we see kind of reversal here. As it's kind of sitting in between this channel, what we want. This is kind of what we want. Had a green signal here indicated, but we also followed by a red. So this one we're going to watch this one. We'll put an alert on this one. Probably say, because it keeps hitting this EMA line right here. Seems like it's starting to just pop off of this EMA. But this one's going to be definitely a watch, because I have a feeling that this one is probably going to pop down at this EMA and it's going to hit another green indicator, the long buy, and it'll probably come up another 15%. Hopefully that's what I'm looking for. Just like this 200-day EMA up here is kind of moving upward, so it'll probably consolidate closer and closer, and then it's probably going to pop. We'll look at historical stuff real quick. Alright, so notice here kind of consolidates here like this, like we've seen over there. Kind of consolidating, and then it kind of pops up a bit. So we'll hopefully let this consolidate for a couple days, see where it's at, and then we'll make a call later on during the week to see if we can get in this one or not. This one's sitting at about $17. Alright, let's go over the next one. Next one's going to be OCUL. Ocular with a Bucket Therapeutics. Alright, this one looks very promising. I really like the way this one looks. We had a couple pullbacks. This nice channel, and it's swinged up, and then we get this triangle that's indicating that there's a bullish and change in the market kind of sentiment. So I can see this one continuing to go up here, especially since it just popped this long call. You know, so we can see this possibly going up. Like, notice there's a popped a long call here, up 13. So it could be something like this too. You know, pop a long call around, it goes up 4. So we'll have to see the next day how this one's looking. But I think this one's gonna be okay as well. We'll see. Hold on. Yeah, I think this is gonna be okay as well, because when all these line up just like this, notice all these EMAs line up straight up like this. I mean, that's a bullish sentiment. It's gonna pop up. So when they reverse that way, it's obviously a bearish sentiment. But here it looks like they're consolidating really tight again, just like they consolidated really tight here. So you see this popping up again and pushing forward some more. So I'm hoping this one I'll probably do a very long call on this one. Probably like a month call, depending on, let's see how far this one was, and this one popped. This one was 44 days. So I'll probably do a 45-day call on this one. Probably do a, I don't know. We'll see. I definitely gonna do a call. It's probably gonna be 30 to 45-day call on this. And we'll go from there. But I know this one's gonna pop up. I could tell this one's gonna pop up. I just don't know how soon I want it. I definitely don't want it too soon where a contract ends in a month. You know, I don't want it too long either. So I gotta get some, like probably 45 days to 60 days. Then this one's gonna be gold. All right, let's do SNAP. I saw this one too. This one looked really good too. So it's had a nice pullback, nice pullback, and it's starting to come back up again. Got this yellow dot here. This yellow dot means there's a bullish trend in the market with the triangle. So that means it's going to continue to go up. And this nice consolidation where there's the top EMA up here is pushing on top. Is what we want. We want this EMA that's on the top to be on top. So this EMA is nice. It's coming up, pushing on top, and all these are falling back in line. With this one being back at the bottom again, so they're like nicely stacked up together and falling back in line. We got a nice long candle here, a nice long call here with a nice green, bullish sentiment or change in the market in the MACD. So I can see this one pushing just like the way it pushed up here. So this definitely SNAP is definitely another long call. Probably do this one for 45 days as well. So that's SNAP, guys. This is gonna be a good one too. I missed out on that one. Next, we're gonna do NOW Service Now Inc. And this one, I saw this one. I found this one. This one looked really nice. So I'm definitely gonna do a call on this one. Probably do like a put debit spread or something like that. So I'm not, because it says 500. So I'm not trying to, spend a bunch of money, but I can mitigate my costs by doing a spread. So I'll probably do that with this one because this one looks really nice. This one popped down, had a nice reversal here. So I'm hoping that with this nice reversal, it's hitting its very bottom. So if you go look at it again, this one here hit its bottom as well. This one hit its bottom. When it hit its bottom, popped up, 10%. So every time it hits its bottom, it seems like it does very well. Let's see, we hit its bottom before. Okay, so there's another bottom. And if you would have just waited, so if you would have bought this one here and waited what, like this one here, waited 45 days to get some nice growth. But you just gotta do my calls and my spreads out like 45 days. I don't like doing 30 days because I feel there could be some potential for a pullback, and I like to push out to 45 days. So 45 days looks pretty well, and then it also has an earnings call coming up in the end of this month, so I can see it pushing up, and then by the earnings call, depending on how good or bad it is gonna push back down. So I'll probably dump it right before the earnings call. Usually, a good thing to know is just to be safe, dump it right before the earnings call. Because it's gonna push all the way up, and if it's good, it might push up more. But if it doesn't, you're gonna get a huge dump, and I hate when that happens. So do not get dumped on when you get to earnings. But this one's up. Looks like it's getting set up pretty well for its earning call. So keep an eye on that one. And the next one's gonna be NVRO. Okay, and this one is like one of the perfect one that we want to see here. Perfect. It's pullback, had a nice little reversal, hit this green popped, and then we actually with the green it came a long call. So this one I can feel is gonna pop very well, just like you're here. Boom, popped 17%. See, so I'm hoping this will go push back up 17% as well, or at least you'll probably get out about 15%, which will be probably at 190. Somewhere like right here, 189, 190 will possibly will get out. So this one's probably going to be a good 30, 45 day long call. I'll probably do a spread on this one as well to mitigate my cost going in, and we'll go from there. So these are my picks for next week. This is what I'm gonna keep an eye on for next week. Please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. If you like these charts that I use, and if you want to copy these charts, let me know in the comments. Let me know, and I can do a video of them. While I do a tutorial, walk y'all through. If I get enough comments, and likes in the video, I'll definitely share this with y'all guys. But I'm trying to build this YouTube video, this YouTube channel, guys. So help me build this by smashing that like button, commenting, subscribing, and that will help us build a community together. I don't believe in charging y'all for any courses. All my stuff is always going to be free. All my knowledge is always going to be free. And I feel we can build each other up and help each other out throughout this journey. And if you haven't looked at my Robinhood challenge, I'm trying to turn $1,000 into $100,000. So right now we're doing fairly well. I'm hitting some pretty good gains on that account, on our main account. So check that out. Other than that, guys, y'all have a great week. I'll probably post something during the midweek, let y'all know where I'm at. Definitely post things every Saturday for my Robinhood recap video for the week. But y'all have a great day, guys, and thank y'all for watching.